So today I am doing a Sharpie stamping tutorial, and the polish that I'm showing you is Pahlish Lagoon, if I'm not mistaken. No, Fin and Pearl. I'm even showing it on the picture. The next shade is Wet n Wild Wild Shine. I think it's, yep, black cream, and the bottles of that is only 99 cents. And then I'm going to be using my Born Pretty stamping nail polish, which is a really good white stamping polish. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and paint 2 coats of black nail polish. And again, this nail polish is super duper affordable. I don't spend very much money on white or black nail polishes because I just go through them so often. But this nail polish, you could probably get it opaque in 1 coat, but I decided to go ahead and do 2. Now, I originally seen this Sharpie stamping. I seen the video to this in a nail stamping group that I'm in. I think it's called Nail Stamping Sisterhood on Facebook, and the lady that did it was, I think she spoke Spanish, I think. But I will link that down below because I think I bookmarked it on my computer. So if you want to see the original video, my camera's shaking because somebody's walking, but if you want to see the original like Sharpie stamping video, then I'll leave a link to that down below. So anywho, just applying my second coat, and now all you need are some really bold Sharpie markers, and to go ahead and start drawing on your stamping plate. Now, don't be worried, this doesn't stain your plate or anything like that. Go ahead and stick on your pink, or just whichever colors you want to do. That's the nice thing, you can put whatever colors you want. And then I decided to go with blue, and then I decided to go with purple. And it's just something you can play around with. I mean, it's fun, and I love the effect. It's almost like tie-dye. And then just dab on your white nail polish. You don't want to like smear it on because it can bleed. If you pay attention, you'll see that it does start to bleed. But just dab on your white stamping polish on the sections that you colored in. And then scrape and pick up your image, and as you can tell, it turned out great. And then go ahead and stamp it onto your nail, and you have a colorful feather or whatever image you decide to use. So now I did go ahead and put on another feather on the end of my finger. And here I am just putting on my top coat. I was so scared, you guys, that my top coat would smear this. Oh wait, I already put the top coat on. What am I talking about? But I put my top coat on and it didn't smear. But I hope you like this quick little tutorial on Sharpie stamping. It's pretty straightforward, it's pretty easy, and just about anybody, yeah, I don't know why I'm showing that, but just about anybody can do it. And it would be actually really pretty with florals. But thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon.